Hi everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video I will show you how to install macOS on your Windows PC. Hi everyone, so here's how to install macOS on your Windows PC. So first you want to check your compatibility. You'll need an Intel or AMD CPU that supports macOS and at least 8 GB RAM and a compatible GPU. So newer macOS versions have dropped support for older Intel chips. Download macOS installer. To get the latest macOS installer from the Mac App Store or use Jib macOS tool on your Windows. Next is create a bootable USB. Use Balinature or Transmac to create a macOS boot USB with OpenCore or Clover bootloader. Minimum 16 GB USB drive. Next is to adjust your BIOS settings. So you want to enable your AHCI, disable your secure boot, and turn off your BTD if not using pass-through. Next is you want to boot from your USB. You want to restart your PC, select the USB in boot menu, and then load OpenCore Clover. Lastly, the last steps are install macOS, partition your drive to a PFS format, then install macOS. After the installation, boot again from USB to finish setup. Next is the post-install drivers. Install casts, macOS drivers for Wi-Fi, sound, and graphics. And that is all on how to install your macOS on your Windows PC.